Hey everyone, we all know we should floss, but let's be honest, it can feel a bit more confusing and even tedious. What if I told you doing it correctly for just 1 minute a day is one of the single most effective thing that you can do for your long-term dental health? Today we are going to break down the proper flossing technique step by step. It's easier than you think. Let's dive in. First, you need about 45 centimeter or 18 inches of floss. Any type works, be it waxed, unwaxed, dental tape, or even a floss pick if it's easier for you. The goal isn't just to pop out food that is stuck in between your teeth. The real mission is to scrape away that invisible plaque biofilm that forms on the sides of your teeth and just below the gum line. This plaque is what causes the cavities and the gum diseases. Let's walk through the process for one tooth. This is called a C-shape technique. Step 1. Wind and guide. Wind most of the floss around the middle finger of the one hand and rest into the middle finger of the other hand. Now this gives a fresh segment of floss for each tooth. Use your thumb and index fingers to hold on to the floss. Step 2. Gently guide and curve. Never snap or force the floss in between the tooth. It can damage or cut your gums. So what can we do? Gently saw it in a back and forth motion until it slips past the tight contact between the teeth. Step 3. Form the C shape and scrape. Once the floss is in between the teeth, curve it into a C shape against the sides of one tooth. Gently move the floss up and down, making sure it goes slightly below the gum line. Now you should feel the pressure, but you shouldn't feel any sharp pain. Imagine that you are hugging the tooth and wiping it clean. Step 4. Switch sides and move on. Now curve the floss into C-shaped onto the neighboring tooth and repeat the up and down motion. To floss the next space, make sure you unwind the clean and fresh floss from one finger and take up the used slack onto the other finger. A few quick tips to make sure that you are on track. Don't forget the back teeth. Your molar teeth also deserves the same love. Bleeding gums. If your gums bleed a little when you start, do not panic. This is usually a sign of inflammation that has occurred due to lack of flossing. With a gentle and consistent daily flossing, the bleeding should stop in a week or two as your gums gets healthier. If using a floss pick, same rule applies. Curve the floss, get under the gum line and use a clean segment when you move around your mouth. And that's it. Just 1 minute a day focusing on that C shape against the tooth surface can make world of difference. It's a small habit that protects your smile, your breath and your overall health. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and help me to spread the awareness. If you have any questions regarding the flossing, please comment below. I would love to clear your doubts. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.